So I start by advising that there were 1,351 locally acquired cases here in New South Wales to 8 p.m. last night. There were no overseas cases. Test-wise, there were 129,266 tests to 8 p.m. last night, and I would encourage the community to continue to get tested with any symptoms whatsoever. Health needs that information in order to be able to make the decisions that are undertaken to make us or keep us safe. The vaccination rates. New South Wales administered 29,976 vaccines in the period to 8 p.m. last night, 24 hours to 8 p.m. last night. There were 4,721 vaccines administered at Sydney Olympic Park and 6,254 at Kudos Bank Arena. Across New South Wales, 80.1% of the over 16 population has received a first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and 48.5% of the entire community over 16 are fully vaccinated. Just want to thank the community for coming out in such strong numbers to be vaccinated, because there's now almost 8.5 million people in New South Wales that have had the vaccines administered to them. The cases in hospital, there are now more than 15,000 people with COVID-19 who are being cared for in our New South Wales health system. The majority of those, over 90%, are being cared for in the community, at home generally, and some are in the New South Wales Health special accommodation. Dr. Gale will give more information in regard to that. Sadly, 12 people passed away up until 8 p.m. last night. There were 6 ladies and 6 men. These people were in a range of ages, and I just want to stress that the range of the ages reflects the fact that this is a very severe disease and can impact you at all ages. And for those who are still reluctant to go and get vaccines, can I say that is the way forward. You need to go and get vaccinated. 1 person was in their 40s, 1 person was in their 50s, 4 people were in their 60s, 2 people were in their 70s, 3 people were in their 80s, and 1 person in their 90s. And I want to stress that of those 12 people who passed away, 10 people were not vaccinated. 10 of those people were not vaccinated. I want to express, it's just, whenever we lose a family member or a friend, it impacts on every one of us. And I just want to express my condolences, and I'm sure all of the condolences from New South Wales Health. Staff there care for each and every one of these people. And my sympathies go to all of the family and friends of each of these people who've passed away.